Hi guys, I've just put this quick video together to show you how we use Microsoft Word's tracked changes. This is a really useful feature of Word and all of our editors and proofreaders use it because it makes it really clear exactly what's happened to the text. So it basically shows anything that's been deleted, anything that's been added, and there's another function we use for comments. So just to show you how it works, you'll find the track changes toggle, which you can switch on or off, within the review section of the Word menu. Your version of Word might be different to mine, so it might look slightly different, but it's definitely in the review section. So say I wanted to delete this word, it would automatically track my name, what's been deleted, and there's the text there. If I wanted to add something, so if I wanted to change this, for example, to Microsoft Word's tracked changes explained, then you can see that the new text I've added is clearly showing in a bright colour and it's underlined. Now on my computer this is red. It might be slightly different on yours depending on your computer settings, but whatever your settings are, it will definitely be in a colour and it will definitely be underlined. So that is deleted text showing here and added text showing coloured and underlined. The last little trick I want to show you is the comment section. So an editor and a proofreader as well actually is likely to make a few comments as they go through to just check and query things that might not make sense to them. So how they'd do that is they would put their mouse wherever they wanted to make the comment, hit new comment and type in whatever their question might be. So I just want to quickly show you how this looks in reality. So I've got a proofread file up on my computer here. So this is a real file that has been proofread by one of our proofreaders, Sarah. So as you can see, she's got a couple of comments to do with formatting here that are showing in the margin. So the first thing that the author would notice as they went through this document is that the only things they really need to pick out are these comments here or any changes. So for example, there's been absolutely nothing that's happened to this paragraph here, so the author can just skim over this one and just keep their eyes peeled for anything in the margin or anything coloured. So the first query here is about spacing, and if you were the author and you wanted to reply to this, all you would do is put your mouse here within that comment, hit new comment, and then type away. So in this case I put thanks, I'll check all of them. Okay, so if we want to have a look at what this proofreader has done, she's deleted a line space, which we can see by that carriage symbol at the top here. She has removed the word of in not because of your parents here. Again, she's taken out an extra line break. It can be very tempting to hit the enter bar one too many times, so it's good that the proofreader is keeping an eye out for these things. Here she has suggested an alternative phrasing for a sentence. So she has suggested this should be how to think about how they could improve in the future. So if I was the author and I agreed with that change, I might type it in here, how to think about how they could improve in the future. And as I showed you in the other document, that's come through in a colour and underlined. So I hope that's given you a kind of a brief idea of how we use track changes. If you are getting a file back from an editor or proofreader, it's very, very likely, whichever company they work with, that they'll be using this system. So it's a good thing for all authors to kind of play around with and just try out, really. Okay, thanks then. Bye.